for sure. Wow. Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story, and today we're in Iola, Wisconsin. Come on out to a great car show. You can see the description, and you can come out to the Iola, Wisconsin car show too. And I met Don. Don, your last name?
Steinman.
Don Steinman, and he has a car, well, it just stopped me in my tracks. What year, make, and model is this one?
This is a 1966 Mercury Cyclone Convertible.
And you don't see many of these.
Very, very few.
Very few, which is why you get the chance to see it. So let me go right to our featured attraction. Don, stand right alongside me and tell me, what year did you get this one at?
I got that in 1984.
1984, so it's like a member of the family. Now, did it look like this or did you restore it?
I totally restored it. It was in pretty rough shape.
Wow. How long did the restoration take?
Probably about 8 years part-time all the while.
Wow. Well, I'll tell you, you don't get the chance to see a Comet that looks like it's in this condition. And I'm going to just share the shot of the front of that. And now I'll share the side of the side of it. So obviously it's a unique car, and you don't see them too often. But what's do people think that it's like a Galaxy, or what do they think it is?
A lot of people look at it and think it's a Rambler Ambassador.
Okay.
Because of the headlights are similar.
They're stacked, right? Okay. Wow, and it's very simplistic. There's not a lot of badging on the side of it. You've got this nice little body crimped here. The red striping, I think, is done really well. The all-important Cyclone and the racing flag. Let's open the hood, shall we? We'll show them what's under the hood there. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? I mean, the blue off the red. That's really, really well done.
This is the last year they painted them blue.
And I noticed too, we've got like a microfiber or something.
It's a fiberglass hood.
Is it?
Yes.
Wow. What's the reaction when you bring it to car shows?
We get a lot of comments, and we get a lot of comments just driving around on the street. A lot of people waving, talking, saying how nice it is, and never saw one before. And
You get comments on the Comet.
yeah, exactly.
That's great.
Everybody seems to like it.
Yeah. And that's the big motor. We're going to see the trunk and treat soon. You're going to see the motor options on this one. So I'm giving you a little sneak peek, so stick around. The Famoco bag there. And that really looks good, I'll tell you. All right, let's fire it, shall we? Let's start it up, Don.
Okay.
Thank you. It really looks like a new car. Let's let it idle. Let me see the taillights, please. Can you step on the brakes? There's our brakes. Sounds like a little high idle. Maybe it needs a kick down. We'd turn it around, and as we turn it around, you can see a very simplistic design here on the back of the Cyclone, but no missing the fact that it's a Cyclone, letting you know that something is going to be dangerous. We've got the dual exhaust tips, and we've got some trunk and treats, but before we go right there for just a second, I just want to show that nice quarter panel, clean, crisp look there. And the red and the white look really good. So let's open up the trunk, right? We've got some treats for them.
All right.
So we have not only the tire, what do they call these rims on the Mercury? Are they Rally 500s or something, or
no, they're
Magnums, or
they're actually Cougar 5 Rally tires.
Got it. So we have the original owner's manual. I won't go through the whole thing, but it shares with you the pictures of the instrumentation, etc. But this I thought you'd enjoy, and that the 66 Mercury Cyclone GT. Now, is there a difference between the GT and this one, or is this?
Yeah, GT is more high performance.
Okay, got it.
Bigger horsepower.
So here we have the one that we have here, with the exception we've got the big new generation Comets. Of course, ours is a convertible here.
There's one further in there.
All right.
I think there's a red one too.
Nice. She's holding on to him. Oh, Billy, such a great car. I love the photographs from some of these old brochures.
Oh yeah.
Just out in the wild with our stallion. And oh, by the way, in the middle of the rocks there, we've got our Cyclone pitched there. There's the GT. I like your rims better than those. Those are the chrome.
Yeah, I have the chrome rims.
Is that right?
They're hubcaps actually.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Okay. Features of the Cyclone GT. There. The Caliente. Another girl just admiring the photograph work. And by the way, you have your Caliente in the background. Picking some flowers this time. In the four-door. The Capri. The Caliente interiors. The Mercury Capri. The four-door, the Comet two-door, the wood grain wagon. That'd be a rough one to find today.
Oh, we're just videoing. We'll be done shortly.
The Voyager. So which engine do you have, the 2 Venturi or the 4 Venturi?
4.
The 4. So we've got the big performance in this one. And there's all your models. All right, let's close that. May I open it up? Can we open it up? No, this.
Yeah, you bet we can.
Thank you. All right, as we go right here, we start with our Mercury Comet identification. As we open it a bit more, we have our door. The seating. Our seat belts, your power windows all the way around. The all-impressive Cyclone there. And your instrumentation. Nice console with the shifter. The Mercury radio. And that there. Well, Don, I think we need to take it for a ride.
Okay, we can do that.
All right, let's do that.
Right.
So Don and I are in the 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone Convertible with the 390. Sounds good.
Thank you.
How do you feel when you're driving it?
Well, feels like you got a lot of horsepower.
Well, we saw that a little earlier, that it definitely gets up and goes, which is a lot of fun. I just want to show people a little bit about where we're driving as we're out here at the car show. How nice stuff. Let me just show.